Hey, what is up guys, Raider Affiliate here with another stake session. In today's video we have $2,000 on the balance, and today I'll try with some bonus hunting, maybe some bonus buys, and I will try to make huge profit. So before I start with today's session, if you are looking for the absolutely best promo code on stake and stake US, if you are looking for VIP benefits, daily, weekly and monthly rakeback, let's join under the best promo code Raider Affiliate. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to join. First things first, you need to do is to create an account on stake. When did you create an account, you need to press on this little profile icon at top right corner, go to settings, move to offers and enter promo code Raider Affiliate in a welcome offer box. You have only 24 hours to use this promo code after signing up, so let's join and claim your bonus. Alright guys, today's session I will start with $8 bet on Doghouse. We'll try with bonus hunting, so let's start this session with 50 spins. I'm gonna spend 700 to 800 on Doghouse. It's bait at starting first spins, first bait, but never mind. We'll spend 700 to 800 on Doghouse. So let's see, we are looking for a quick bonus, some money, some profits today. Also, you can follow me on my Twitter, Raider Affiliate, where I'm doing daily giveaways. You can turn on notifications. You can follow me on my Kick, Raider Affiliate, for a daily live stream, summer content. And you can follow me on my 3 houses but bet position. And you can follow me on Instagram, Raider X Stake, where I'm posting daily stake highlights, daily casino memes, and where I'm doing BMW F10 giveaway, trip to Maldives giveaway, and $100 giveaway. So let's check it out guys. It's Xmas and New Year giveaway. Make sure to drop follow and join on every fucking giveaway. Okay, 40 spins without bonus, which is really bad. Let's see, is it bait? Yeah, another bait. So I will do 30 more and I will change bet on $10 to houses. Okay, let's try with 30 quick spins, and after 30 quick spins I will change bet guys. So let's see, 3 scatters we need for bonus. We need a lot of houses, good connections, blue dogs maybe, and let's test our luck in today's session. On the last video I didn't make profit, so in today's session we need some money definitely. We are already down $300, so now I will change it on 10. Okay, last spin, nothing. Let's try with 10 and I will do 50 spins, 50 quick spins. Come on, only one bonus. It seemed like $1,000 bonus if we hit. So come on buddy. Okay, some money on base game, but every connection is $10 to $50, which is bad to be honest. One spin cost me $10 fucking dollars. Okay, last 20 spins. Can you open one? 3 scatters, come on. Okay, that's really bad. Last 10 spins. Don't bait this time, it's bonus definitely. No, it's too fast, bro. That's bullshit. 2 houses, okay. Yeah, that's really bad. We lost about over $700. So now let's switch up things and let's try with some bonus buys. I will try with Bandit now guys. I will activate bonus hunt feature. So let's change bet on 8 or $6 maybe. Let's try with $6 and I will activate bonus hunt feature for $18. So let's do 25 spins, turbo spins, and we are looking for some connections, some rainbows, and some money at least. 121, not bad. Is it bonus? Scatter? No. 3 to 4 scatters. We need 2 baits in a row. Okay. Is it bait again? Yeah, it is really bad, but okay. More connections maybe. Oh shit, 2 scatters. 2 scatters, what the fuck? 2 scatters, bro. Third one. No. Oh, more connections somehow. More. Okay, can we get put? No, we cannot. So I think it's time to change bet on $21 and let's do 25 spins. Come on, Bandit. Come on, buddy. Last time you didn't pay, so today is time for some money on this game. Connect, connect, connect. No fucking way, bro. 3 to 4 scatters we need. Tens, no, breads, something. Okay. That's really bad. Oh, really bad, bro. Connect something. 2 scatters again. Fuck you. Fuck you, bro. 4 spins left. Okay, 650 left. $650. So I'll change it. Let's change it on 24. And let's do 50 spins, 50 turbo spins. Come on. Now it's time for bonus, definitely, bro. It's fucking time. Only one bonus. 3 scatters, 4 scatters. I'm okay with 3 also. Last 400, come on. Open it, open it, open it. But it's so hard, bro. Rainbow, no. More connections somehow. Something else maybe, nah. That shit, $50, okay. It's like 2 spins. But why every fucking time? Every fucking time you bait me. Please, please rainbow. Please fucking rainbow. Oh my god. Yeah, it looked like unlucky session, guys, today. It looked like unlucky session. Last spin. Okay, one more. Okay, there's rainbow. Can we get multi or pot or something? Gold coin. That's shit. That's fucking shit. Oh my god. 39, okay. Rainbow, no. Bonus, please, bonus on the last spin. Please, please, fucking bonus scatter. Give me that scatter, bro. Oh, there's pot without multi. Okay, 28. Last spin. Yeah, that's GG, guys. Let's change it on $3 and let's do 3 more spins. Look at this, bro. 2 scatters again. So that's it, guys, for today's session. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and the most importantly, check out Stake and Stake US under the best promo code Razor Affiliate, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow in a new video. Bye.